Front yard is an extension of the home's interior design. Use vertical space for planting and storage. Utilize multi-purpose furniture. Mix and match materials to create visual interest. Incorporate outdoor lighting for ambience and safety. Create defined areas for different functions. Utilize hardscape to create visual pathways and seating areas. Consider the use of decorative screens or fences for privacy. Incorporate a focal point to draw the eye. Choose drought-tolerant plants for low-maintenance upkeep. Incorporate water features to create a calming atmosphere. Utilize sustainable building materials. Showcase stunning front yard designs with small footprints. Feature real-life examples of successful transformations. Encourage viewers to share their own ideas and projects. A tranquil modern outdoor space. A contemporary home with dark gray stone exterior walls and a light brown wooden roof overhangs a patio-style deck. A carefully curated garden surrounds the home. Various shades of green plants, ferns, and leafy tropical foliage are interspersed with gravel pathways and decorative stones. A paved walkway leads from the garden to a covered patio area with outdoor furniture. The scene is bathed in a soft golden light, hinting at the sunlight through the trees. There's a touch of Japanese garden aesthetic. Show the pathway in great detail with the flat rectangular stones. The plants are lush and vibrant, evoking a sense of peacefulness and tranquility. A sprawling modern home nestled within a lush, landscaped garden. The home features a contemporary design with a mix of gray stucco and stacked stone accents, large, dark-framed windows, and a dark gray roof. The landscaping is meticulously maintained, with manicured hedges, well-defined gardens, and a paved pathway leading to the house. The pathway is made of large, rectangular gray stone slabs bordered by a bed of small, smooth gray stones. The pathway is softly lit by ground-level lights, enhancing the ambience. Trees surround the property, creating a sense of intimacy and privacy. The lighting casts a warm glow on the gardens, the stones, and the home. A modern, two-story house with a brick facade and a large covered patio area. The house features a contemporary design with dark gray metal accents, a light brown wooden roof overhang, and expansive glass windows letting in natural light. The patio area is paved with light gray paving stones, bordered by a rust-colored metal planter. The planter contains various drought-tolerant plants including succulents, ferns, and grasses, with small decorative rocks. A walkway of large rectangular gray paving stones leads to the front door, lined with a mix of small colorful pebbles. The lawn is a vibrant green, bordered by well-maintained hedges and shrubs. A modern, eco-friendly house with lush green vertical gardens and a rooftop garden. The house features a wooden facade with horizontal planks, black metal accents, and large glass windows. The walls and roof are covered in various sizes and types of green foliage, creating a natural, immersive aesthetic. The house has multiple levels with balconies and terraces, all furnished with outdoor furniture. A wooden deck extends from the house, surrounded by lush green lawn. The colors are warm browns, deep greens, and cool grays, with pops of reddish-purple flowers in the gardens. The lighting suggests a bright, sunny day. The image should evoke a sense of tranquility, harmony with nature, and modern design. A modern, spacious, and meticulously landscaped backyard deck area. A large, contemporary home with gray stone exterior and dark gray metal roofing. The deck is made of rich, warm-toned brown wood planks with a slightly raised, tiered design, leading down to a water feature. 2 levels of raised, gray stone steps/platforms lead to the deck, featuring a shallow water feature with warm, amber-toned lighting. The deck has comfortable outdoor furniture, including a sectional sofa set in taupe beige tones. A variety of carefully manicured landscaping and greenery, including shrubs, bushes, and grasses, are throughout the design. The overall aesthetic is impressionistic, featuring natural light and soft shadows. A modern, secluded home with a beautifully landscaped backyard. The home is dark gray with black metal accents and large windows that frame a view of the yard. The exterior walls are a rich, warm brown brick. The landscaping features multiple tiers of stone retaining walls and walkways. Steps leading to the house are highlighted with a warm, golden yellow LED strip lighting. The landscaping includes various textures and heights of greenery, such as shrubs, bushes, and grasses, in rich, deep greens, muted golds, and browns. A modern, contemporary home, evening scene. Large, open-plan living space with glass walls, showcasing the indoor-outdoor flow. Light streams through the large glass sliding doors illuminating the interior. The exterior features stone and dark gray architectural details. A meticulously designed landscaping design using various desert plants and succulents in raised planters and beds with gravel and stones. Ambient lighting emphasizes the greenery and textures. Evening sky, soft light, warm golden hues reflecting off the glass and plants. Mid-level, a level view of the home and lush landscape. A modern home exterior with a meticulously landscaped courtyard. A lawn ornamented by bright splashes of floral colors. A contemporary 3-story house surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant plants, showcasing an organic integration of architecture and nature. The building features large floor-to-ceiling glass windows that reflect a warm, golden light from the interiors, evoking an inviting atmosphere. The facade is adorned with cascading greenery, including ferns and flowering plants that create a living wall effect. The wooden accents on the upper floors add a touch of warmth, contrasting beautifully with the sleek black frames of the windows and balconies. The setting is serene, with soft ambient lighting illuminating the outdoor spaces, creating a tranquil evening ambience. A modern architectural masterpiece, showcasing a striking glass building surrounded by lush greenery. The house features angular, asymmetrical shapes with reflective surfaces that beautifully interact with the surrounding tropical landscape. The setting is bathed in soft twilight, with hues of blue and gold illuminating the interior, enhancing the warm glow from within. Rich textures of foliage spill over from the roof and walls, creating a seamless blend of nature and design. A tranquil reflecting pool mirrors the structure, adding depth to the scene. Modern luxury villa perched on a hillside, showcasing a stunning panoramic view of a bustling city. The architecture features sleek lines and large glass panels, allowing for abundant natural light. The building is surrounded by lush tropical greenery, including tall palm trees and vibrant plants. A spacious outdoor deck with stylish lounge furniture and an inviting infinity pool reflects the sky, complementing the blue and turquoise tones of the water. The setting features a bright, sunny day with soft white clouds against a vivid blue sky. Three-story modern eco-house with lush greenery on every balcony, featuring a wooden facade and large glass windows. The setting includes a vibrant garden with tropical plants, palm trees, and thick grass. The exterior showcases a harmonious blend of wood and concrete, illuminated by warm sunlight creating a serene atmosphere. The overall aesthetic is hyper-realistic, emphasizing the intricate details of foliage, reflecting nature's beauty in an urban environment. A stunning modern villa perched on a hillside, showcasing a blend of luxury and nature. The architecture features multiple levels with large glass walls that create an open and airy feel. The rooftop is adorned with lush greenery and a spacious entertainment area, including sun loungers and a small bar. A sleek infinity pool reflects the blue sky and surrounding cityscape, contrasting against the warm wooden deck. The setting includes a panoramic view of the skyline with tall buildings in the background, bathed in natural sunlight, creating a hyper-realistic aesthetic. Modern luxury villa at twilight, hyper-realistic style, surrounded by lush tropical landscaping. The villa features sleek lines and large glass windows, allowing warm golden light to spill from the interior, contrasting against dark stone and wooden elements. A tranquil water feature with smooth pebbles and reflecting surfaces accentuates the serene atmosphere. Palm trees and vibrant green foliage frame the scene, while soft clouds are highlighted by the fading daylight, creating a picturesque sky with hues of blue and soft pink. A modern, eco-friendly home nestled in lush greenery, showcasing a harmonious blend of nature and architecture. The structure features large floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing natural light to flood the interior. The exterior is adorned with vibrant ferns and tropical plants, creating a living facade. A serene infinity pool complements the outdoor space. The roof is equipped with sleek solar panels, emphasizing sustainability. The scene is set during golden hour, with warm, inviting tones of amber and green. The surrounding city skyline is slightly blurred in the background, providing a contrasting urban touch. Modern architectural masterpiece, showcasing a contemporary two-story house with an open floor plan, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor spaces. The setting features lush greenery and a tranquil water feature, reflecting the structure's elegant lines. A mix of natural materials like stone and wood emphasizes a harmony with nature. The scene is illuminated by warm, ambient lighting from the interior, casting a cozy glow against the soft twilight backdrop. The sky transitions from vibrant blue to soft grays, adding a serene atmosphere. Elements include sleek furnishings on the deck, large glass windows, and carefully arranged stones around the pond. A modern luxury villa at sunset, featuring a two-story structure with expansive glass windows and wooden accents, surrounded by lush tropical landscaping. The scene captures a harmonious blend of contemporary architecture and nature, with palm trees swaying gently in the evening breeze. The colors are warm and inviting, showcasing soft oranges and pinks in the sky, reflecting off the glass surfaces and creating a vibrant atmosphere. In the foreground, a meticulously designed garden with green foliage and brightly colored flowers leads to a tranquil swimming pool, bordered by elegant stone pathways. A picturesque stone cottage nestled in a vibrant garden, set against the backdrop of rolling green mountains under a clear blue sky. The scene evokes a hyper-realistic aesthetic, emphasizing the detailed textures of the cottage's stone walls and terracotta roof. Sunlight bathes the property, highlighting the rich